Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this lavender and rosemary hair and body and skin oil. And for my lavender helps stimulate the hair follicles, promoting growth. It nourishes the scalp and preventing hair loss and supporting healthier hair. And so let's get started with this tutorial. So to get started, I have my oil measured out. The first oil I use two different oils. I use grapeseed oil and fractionated coconut oil. And for my fractionated coconut oil, I have 50 grams, and for my grapeseed, I use 50 grams as well, making it 100 grams. And the next I'm adding into my beaker is my lavender, dried lavender. The same way I dried both lavender and the rosemary. And after adding it into my beaker, then the next step is to add my oil, my carrier oil into the beaker and cover it. Then there are two ways to make this oil. This process is cold process, so because I'm not heating it up. And after pouring the oil over those lavender and rosemary, then I'm going to cover the beaker and keep it for 4 weeks. And after 4 weeks, after 4 weeks, my oil, my rosemary and lavender oil will be ready. And here is the oil, and I make sure I went back to shake the beaker every day. And after 4 weeks of keeping this oil, this is what it looks like. And the nutrient has infused into the oil. But I didn't stop there. I went in with my immersion blender after pouring it into my beaker. And you've noticed that the color of the oil has changed, and because of the nutrient gotten from the rosemary and the lavender. So I'm using my immersion blender to blend this, and just to making sure that there's no nutrients, to make sure I grab in all the nutrients, if possible, from the rosemary and the lavender. So after blending it, and the next step is to, with a strainer and a cheesecloth, and I'm going to strain this, making sure there are no particles. And to mention, rosemary stimulates the hair follicles, promoting hair growth, and it has lots of nutrients that nourishes the scalp, preventing hair loss and supporting healthier hair. And for the grapeseed oil I use, grapeseed is a lightweight oil. It promotes hair growth as well. It contains antioxidants and it doesn't clog pores, and making this oil good for both the skin and the scalp. When you apply it, because it's a lightweight oil, it doesn't clog pores. If you can even apply this oil directly on your skin. And also the grapeseed also strengthens the hair strands and preventing breakage. And for the lavender also improves blood circulation in the scalp, and it also stimulates hair growth. It has also lots of nutrients that help grow your hair. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And after straining this rosemary and lavender oil, the next is to transfer it into a sterilized bottle. And from this bottle, I'll be using it. And stay tuned and watch my videos. Just look out for my videos. I'll be making lots of product with this rosemary and lavender oil. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.